8 easy clean eating dinner recipes for weight loss, backed by science. If you're struggling to lose weight but tired of bland, restrictive diets, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 8 delicious, easy clean eating dinner recipes that help torch fat, boost metabolism, and keep you satisfied, all while being backed by real science. These meals are perfect for busy weeknights, meal prep, or when you just want something healthy without sacrificing flavor. Stick around because recipe 5 is a game changer. 1. Lemon garlic baked salmon with asparagus. This simple yet flavorful dish features tender salmon fillets seasoned with zesty lemon, garlic, and fresh herbs, baked to perfection alongside crisp asparagus. Salmon is a weight loss powerhouse, thanks to its high omega-3 fatty acid content, which reduces inflammation and supports fat metabolism. Asparagus acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess water weight and reduce bloating. With just 300 calories per serving and packed with 25 g of protein, this meal keeps you full while promoting fat loss. 2. Spicy chickpea and sweet potato curry vegan. For a plant-based option that doesn't skimp on flavor or nutrition, try this creamy spicy curry. Chickpeas deliver 14 g of fiber per serving, keeping you full for hours and improving digestion. Sweet potatoes help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and cravings. For an extra health boost, add turmeric, a powerful anti-inflammatory spice that supports metabolism. This hearty, vegan-friendly dish is perfect for anyone looking to lose weight without feeling deprived. 3. Chicken and garlic herb foil packets. These easy foil packets are a lifesaver for busy nights. Simply wrap seasoned chicken breasts with your favorite veggies, seal them in foil and bake. The foil locks in moisture so you don't need extra oils, keeping the meal at just 175 calories per serving. Garlic not only adds amazing flavor, but also boosts metabolism and helps fight bloating. Ready in just 30 minutes, this recipe is ideal for meal prep or quick weeknight dinners. 4. Shrimp avocado salad. Light yet satisfying, this vibrant salad combines juicy shrimp with creamy avocado and fresh greens. Shrimp is an excellent low-calorie, high-protein option, 17 g per serving, helping to build lean muscle while keeping calories in check. Avocados provide healthy monounsaturated fats, which studies show can help reduce belly fat storage. A squeeze of lemon juice not only brightens the flavors but also enhances nutrient absorption, making this dish a nutritional powerhouse. 5. Cauliflower rice stir-fry with ginger chicken. If you're craving takeout but want to stay on track, this stir-fry is the perfect solution. By swapping white rice for cauliflower rice, you cut carbs by 75% while still enjoying a hearty meal. Ginger, a key ingredient, speeds up digestion and has thermogenic properties that help burn fat. At under 250 calories per serving, this dish is a must-try for fast, sustainable weight loss. 6. Lentil and vegetable soup, slow cooker. This hearty, fiber-rich soup is perfect for cozy nights when you want something warm and filling. Lentils pack 11 g of protein and 8 g of fiber per bowl, keeping you full for hours and preventing late-night snacking. Cooking it in a slow cooker preserves more nutrients compared to frying, making it a healthier choice. Plus, it's freezer-friendly. Make a big batch and save leftovers for busy days. 7. Turkey taco lettuce wraps. Who says tacos can't be healthy? These lettuce wraps replace carb-heavy tortillas with crisp, fresh lettuce, saving you over 100 calories per serving. Ground turkey is a leaner alternative to beef, providing high-quality protein without excess fat. For an extra metabolic boost, add a pinch of cayenne pepper. Studies show it can increase calorie burn by up to 10%. 8. Quinoa breakfast bowl, yes, for dinner. Who says breakfast foods are only for mornings? This warm quinoa bowl topped with berries, nuts, and a sprinkle of cinnamon is a nutrient-dense dinner option. Quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids, supporting muscle repair and growth. Eating breakfast-style meals at night can also help curb late-night cravings. The cinnamon adds a sweet touch while helping stabilize blood sugar levels, making this a smart choice for weight loss. Closing scene. So, which recipe are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, it really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed weight loss tips, and stay tuned for next week's video.